Hello, everyone. Welcome to Z and Z Classroom. I'm Mary, and this episode we're going to keep learning about inequality, set notation, interval notation. So, in the last episode, I only introduced you guys with an example that can include less than, which I don't think that's enough. So, we're gonna include more examples in this episode. So, first of all, I'm going to use the same numbers so you can compare the difference. So first of all, I'm gonna use this as an example. So from this interval notation, how would you write in inequality? So pause this video and think about it. So when we think about this, here you will have a parentheses, which will mean not include. And right here, you will get a square bracket, which means include. So when you're writing your inequality, you wrote -8 less than x less than or equal to -4. So that will be our inequality. The include will be represented in here. So then when you have your set notation, you just copy this, right? And then that's your set notation, which is really simple. And then lastly, you will have your graph. So, which will be a number line right here. Here is your -8. Here is your -4. And this time you will have an open circle on -8 and a closed circle on -4 and a line connecting them. So that will be your graph. So here is the interval right here, -8, -4 with an include. So if I want to say this verbally, what would it mean? It will mean all real numbers between -8 and -4 exclude -8 but include -4. Okay, so next we're gonna do an example of with all square brackets, which is -8, -4 with all square brackets, and which both will mean include. And in your inequality, you'll just write -8 less than or equal to x less than or equal to -4. And set notation, same thing, x such that copy this right here, -8 less than or equal to x less than or equal to -4. And when you're drawing the graph, so same thing. I will draw a number line right here. Here is my -8. Here's my -4. And I will draw closed circle on both of them this time. And I will connect it. Okay. So it should be really simple to understand this, but if you have any questions, please comment below and I will try to answer it as quick as possible. And in the next episode, I'm gonna introduce you with some complex intervals with special notations of union and intersection. So thanks for watching this episode and see you in the next episode.